Is a Carnival Cruise Ocean Suite actually worth the upgrade? I booked it. I sailed a 7-night Caribbean cruise, and I walked into this room. So let me take you on the full tour. And by the end of this video, you will have your answer. The first thing you notice when you walk into a Carnival Ocean Suite is the space, real space. Not I can turn around without hitting a wall space. Actual, intentional, breathable space. Counter space plus large walk-in shower equals self-care at sea. That is the math. The bedding in the suite was noticeably upgraded, softer, heavier. There is a full sofa right here in the living area, which means I had somewhere to sit that was not the bed, the desk chair, or the toilet. The suite also gave us more storage, drawers, closet space, extra shelving. I actually unpacked everything, which for me is the universal sign of a good cabin. Priority boarding, enhanced room, service. A level of care that felt personal. Not transactional, little things that added up to a big difference in how the whole trip felt. Once you go Ocean Suite, it's hard to go back. Do not forget to subscribe to Faith Fire Focus for more cruise content, travel tips, and real talk about living fully at every age and every stage. And if you are planning a cruise and you have questions, leave them down below. I read every single one.